There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in granite clear coat. With HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black exterior mirrors, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, selectable steering modes, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5694.